What's up, everybody? Welcome to my office. Happy 2020. Happy New Year. I hope you guys get everything that it is that you want and deserve this year. Why am I wearing a sweater heated inside? Because it is January and I just got this sweater and I'm so excited to blast this guy with an IR camera and see just what these coils are doing on the inside. Now, Milwaukee has a sort of pattern grid drawn up on the box, and I want to see if that's actually the way the heating coils run through this coat, or is it like my old heated gear where it's just one element running across the top over here and around in the back. So without further ado, let's flip the camera around, we'll set up the sweater, and we'll blast it with the IR camera. So just to show a little bit about what we're working with here, we are working with a Milwaukee M12 heated gear. This is 12 VDC, and we got it powered off of XC3 M12 lithium battery. This is extended. It's not as much as the 4.0, but the 3.0 does just as much. That's 3 amp hours instead of 4, running on 12 VDC, which gives us a total output, for those interested, of 32 watts per hour. It's a good battery. I like it. It's decent for my tools, and it's enough charge to power this sweater on high for about 6 hours or so. So good on Milwaukee for that. So we're just gonna let the sweater cool down. It's off because I want to check this thing out with from 0, and so far it seems like it's cooling off. It cools down rather quick. So let's set up the infrared camera and we'll see what we're working with. So I turned off the bulk of the lights so that we can get a better image on the infrared camera. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on. See if we can, oh, look at that. See if we can't zero in on some of those coils. Not as big as I thought it would be. Hold on, let me see if I can open this up a little bit more. It looks like it's focused really around here in the center. If I put my hand to it, it doesn't feel very warm just yet. Oh, but it's getting up there. Let's see if we can't take a look at the front vest. Oh yeah, there's coils in there too. Whoa, we just hit 36. It looks like we're right on the heating coil. Focus. That gets pretty warm. This is the mother of the Milwaukee line battery, the M18 HD 12 amp battery. Let's take a look at this. It is a full 216 watt hours. I don't know if you can zoom in. Focus. There we go. 18 volt, 216 watt hour lithium ion battery. And of course, we put the USB 12 VDC converter on there, and it is plugged into the sweater. And let's see what our infrared camera is telling us, if there's any sort of change on the temperature of the coils. Does it make it hotter? Does it not? Is it the same? Oh, I think I saw 37 there. There we go. Oh, 38. Oh, come on. Oh, 40. I saw 40 degrees. Let's get our hand on there, see how hot that is. Oh, it's warm. It is very warm. You can feel it now. I don't think the warmth has anything to do with the battery. I think it was just giving the coils time to actually do their thing. And we hit 40 degrees on that. And that is pretty, that's going to keep me nice and warm this winter. There it is, 40.5 degrees out of the Milwaukee M12 heated gear line. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the infrared blast of the M12 heated gear sweater. I thought that was pretty cool. I love getting out the infrared gun as much as I can, especially when I'm redoing heating in clients' homes. This way I can get the infrared camera on there, show them physically that it's heating and not just, you know, smelling it and ducking down, trying to see if we can feel the heat with your face and looking like an idiot. The infrared camera is a lot more visually reliable and it looks a little bit more professional. For the infrared nuts out there, the camera is not calibrated for certain things. It's more for just like a visualization of what's going on. I don't really care if the temperature reading is accurate or not. I just want to be able to see what it is we're looking at. So if you guys like the video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. In 2020, I'm going to try to pump out more videos. Probably going to do a lot more explanations in the office. I'm cleaning it up right now. It was a freaking mess. We had a flood, a couple of floods in the basement last year, and I haven't gotten around to it yet, but I'm working on it. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.